Ayan, kumusta friends? Kumusta?
Hi.
Hello. Sige. Ayan, sige. Kumusta kayo? Mabuti? Sige. Anong ginawa nyo ngayong araw? What did you do today? Anyone wants to share what they did today? Anong ginawa nyo today? What did you do today? Sige, nanood ako, I watched Moana. Nanood ako ng Moana sa movie theater. Sige. Nothing. Sige. Ayan, sige, magsisimula na ako. Mag-start na po ako. Magaling. Okay.
Long time. Look. Oh my gosh, I just
Sige, make sure po na kayo ay naka-mute. Sige.
Guys, what are you doing?
Sige. Sige, salamat. Yan. Welcome to Jeepney School Tagalog class. Ang lesson natin sa araw na ito ay how to express time sa Tagalog. How to tell time sa Tagalog. Will be fun because we actually have to learn how to count sa Spanish. Dahil sa Tagalog, we use Spanish words or Spanish numbers to express time. Sige? Okay, pero bago yan, before that, mag-review muna tayo ng lesson natin. Sige? Okay. Raise your hand po if you want to participate, if you want me to ask you, ano ang gagawin mo sa, and then I will pick a day, Lunes, Martes, Miyerkules, Huwebes, Biyernes, Sabado, Linggo. Sige, you can say, maglalaba ako sa Lunes,
No.
mag-aaral ako sa Linggo. Sige, you can pick anything na to make a sentence. Sige, anyone? Raise your hand po. Okay. Ano ang gagawin mo sa Lunes, Sammy?
Maglalaba ako sa Lunes.
Magaling. Zika, anong gagawin mo sa Martes?
Magluluto ako sa Martes.
Magaling. Christina, anong gagawin mo sa Miyerkules?
Magpapahinga ako sa Miyerkules.
Magaling. Gabriel, ano ang gagawin mo sa Huwebes?
maglinis maglilinis ko ako sa Huwebes.
Magaling. Kaylee Saucedo, ano ang gagawin mo sa Biyernes?
Magbibiyahe ako sa Biyernes.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Magaling. Ngayon, mag-move na tayo sa next na slide. Okay. Okay, so asking time sa Tagalog. So the most common question to ask what time is it sa Tagalog ay anong oras na. Okay, anong oras na. Let's say it together. Anong oras na. Very good. Sige. Now, what oras time na? Na plays a lot of roles in Tagalog. Na is a linker sometimes. Na means now sometimes. Na means already. Sige, in Tagalog. So it could be any of the three. Pero sa time, if we want to tell time, na means now. Okay? Now, you can also say, anong oras ngayon? Ngayon means like literally now. Or anong oras na ngayon? Then that's repetitive because we already have na and then we already have ngayon. And I just want to save you time and energy and just ask anong oras na because it means the same thing. Sige, anong oras na? Okay? Ngayon, now let's do time sa Tagalog. Very good. Ito. So, mga numero sa orasan, clock numbers. Sige? So we will use Spanish words or counting. There is a Tagalog way how to express time, but it is very old and not a lot of people use that way. So today we're just going to cover the Spanish words because that's how people in the Philippines right now express time. Sige? Okay, now I will read this and just follow Ate Cherry. Sige? Alauna, alas dos, alas tres, alas cuatro, alas cinco, alas seis, alas siete, alas ocho, alas nueve, alas 10, alas 11, alas 12. Very good. Sige. Magaling. Ngayon, now, sa Tagalog, to say that it's in the morning, we say umaga. Morning, umaga. Let's say umaga. 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 Very good. Now, let's say tanghali. Tanghali. Tanghali, noon. Okay, and for afternoon, we say hapon. Hapon. Very good. And for evening, we say gabi. Gabi. Very good. Evening, gabi. And for midnight, hating gabi. Hati means half. So half of the night. Hating gabi. And for really early morning, like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning, we say madaling araw. Madaling araw. Very good. Magaling. Now, how do we express this time? Ito ang mga time sa English. 7 a.m. Okay? Read with me. We say alas 7 ng umaga. Alas 7 ng umaga. Sige? Sunod, for 4 p.m., we say alas 4 ng hapon. Alas 4 ng hapon. And then 8 p.m., we say alas 8 ng gabi. Sige? And then if you want to say 8:30, it's still in Spanish. We say alas 5:30 ng gabi. Sige, alas 5:30 ng gabi. So, the 30, the part here that's 30, we say imedya. Alas 5:30 ng gabi. Okay. Sige, ngayon, I want to ask you sa Tagalog ang oras. I will ask you, anong oras na? Okay, anong oras na? What time is it? Sige, you can answer me by saying alauna, or alas dos na. I have na here because my question has na. Sige, alauna, alas dos na ng hapon, umaga, gabi. Okay? Example, if I circle this one, you'll say, I will ask you, anong oras na? And then you'll say, alauna na ng, because it's PM, so hapon. Alauna na ng hapon. Sige, if you want to participate, raise your hand po. Okay? Sige, Brandon, anong oras na?
Alauna.
Na? Yeah, alauna is correct. Sige, alauna. Sige. Try to answer in a complete sentence po, okay? I have the sentence frame here for you to follow. Sige. Next, Gabriel. Anong oras na?
Alas 5 na ng umaga.
Sige. So I circled The time.
Oh, okay.
Sige. Anong oras na?
Sorry. Alas 3 na ng hapon.
Magaling. Sige. Ayan. Sammy, anong oras na?
Alas 10 na ng umaga.
Magaling. Sige. Mia, Sammy, anong oras na?
Alas 8 na ng umaga.
Magaling. Salamat. I want everyone to practice this. So I want you to participate. Raise your hand po. I want you to get used to answering time sa Tagalog. Sige. Anyone else? Sige, Christina. Okay, Christina, anong oras na?
Ala, how do you say 11?
Here, alas 11.
Alas 11 na ng gabi.
Magaling. Sige. Sunod, next ay Ariston Villondo. Anong oras na?
Alas 7.
Na ng gabi. Very good. Sige. Next ay Kaylee. Anong oras na?
Alas 10 na ng gabi.
Magaling. Jillian, anong oras na?
Alas 3 na ng gabi
Ng hapon, afternoon.
ng hapon.
Magaling. Sige, K and J Reyes. Anong oras na?
Alas 5 na ng hapon.
Magaling. Sige. Next ay Nicole. Nicole G. Anong oras na?
Alas 8 ng umaga.
Magaling. Salamat. Salamat everyone na nag-participate. Salamat. Sige. Ayan. Next po. Now, let's learn how to ask sa time. Time ng activities or events sa life ng friends and families. Asking for what time is your work? Sige, we say, anong oras ang trabaho mo? Anong oras ang trabaho mo? You can say alas 8 ng umaga ang trabaho ko. Or alas 9 ng gabi ang trabaho ko. Sige, if you want to answer this question, raise your hand po. Sige. Ariston, anong oras ang trabaho mo? Sige, kahit pretend lang, I'm sure na not, a lot of you are not working. Sige. Sige, just a pretend lang na, let's pretend you have a job. Sige. Anong oras ang trabaho mo? Ariston Villondo, you're raising your hand. Sige. Oh, hindi. Okay. Sige. Sammy?
Ala 1 ng hapon ang trabaho ko.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Next one po ay klase. Klase. Class. What time is your class? Sige. Klase. I want to ask you, I want you to participate. Raise your hand po. Sige. Anong oras ang klase mo? What time is your class? Anong oras ang klase mo? Sige, Jillian.
Alas alas oso um alas otso ng klase ko.
Magaling. Ng umaga
Ng umaga ko.
ang
Klase
klase ko. Good job. Salamat. Sige, my friends, I just want to remind to please use the chat for related topics lang or questions for the class. Okay? Thank you. Sige, Ari, anong oras ang klase mo?
Una ng hapon ang klase ko.
Magaling. Zika, anong oras ang klase mo?
Alas 3 ng hapon ang klase ko.
Magaling. Sige, next. Kasal. Kasal is wedding. So I'm not asking you what time is your wedding. Sige, I'm just asking you if you know what time is the wedding that we are attending. Sige? Okay? Who wants to answer? Sige, anong oras ang kasal? What time is the wedding? Anong oras ang kasal? K and J. Reyes.
Alas 5 ng gabi, ang kasal.
Magaling. Sige. Anong oras ang kasal, Ari?
Alas 12 ng hapon ang kasal.
Magaling. Sammy, anong oras ang kasal?
Alas 6 ng gabi ang kasal.
Magaling. So I'm not asking like what I said. I'm not asking about your wedding. I'm just asking about the time of the wedding na we are attending. Sige? Next ay laro, game. What time is your game? Anong oras ang laro mo? Like soccer game or basketball game or football game. Sige? Anong oras ang laro mo? Who wants to answer? Sige, anong oras ang laro mo? Audrey?
Una ng hapon ang laro ko.
Magaling. Sige. Friend, anong oras ang laro mo?
Alas 5 ng hapon ang laro ko.
Magaling. Sige. Sammy, anong oras ang laro mo?
Alas 8 ng umaga ang laro ko.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Okay. Laro means game or the time that you play yung game. Sige. Now, para sa movie, we say pelikula. Okay? Pelikula. Now, the word pelikula is, I won't say it's old, but a lot of people don't use pelikula, the word pelikula anymore if they're referring sa movie. They just say movie sa Tagalog. They would, because Tagalog is, it has a lot of like English words in it. Like they speak in Taglish like magwa-watch ako ng movie. So it's Tagalog, but it has a lot of English words in it too. Sige? Pero it's a good thing to know the word for movie in Tagalog. Sige, let's say, I'm gonna ask you, anong oras ang pelikula? Sige, you can say, alas 8 ng gabi ang pelikula. Sige, who wants to answer? Raise your hand po. Sige. Sige, Sammy o Mia, anong oras ang pelikula?
Alas 2 ng hapon ang pelikula.
Magaling. Sige. Anyone else? Sige. Sige, Kaylee, anong oras ang pelikula?
Alas 4 ng gabi ang pelikula.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Okay, now ngayon, okay, Sige, deep breath muna. There's so many words on the screen. Sige? Okay. We learned last Monday, Lunes, ang days of the week. Lunes, Martes, Miércoles, Jueves, Viernes, Sábado, Linggo. Now we will use that, okay? Together with time, telling time sa Tagalog. Okay? Now, example. Anong oras ang, think of an activity. Let's say, anong oras ang dance recital mo sa Lunes? Okay, so I'm asking what time this activity in this specific day. Sige? And then you can say alas 2 ng hapon ang dance recital ko sa Lunes. Okay, I'm just gonna go in order. Lunes, Martes, Miércoles, Jueves, Viernes, Sábado, Linggo. Okay, now if you want me to ask you, you want to participate for this game, raise your hand po. Sige? Okay. Okay, who's not muted? Okay. Sige. Anong oras, the question is, anong oras ang soccer game mo sa Lunes? Who wants to answer that? Sige, Joaquin?
Alas 3 ng hapon ang soccer game ko sa Lunes.
Magaling. Sige. Gabriel, anong oras ang fundraising mo sa Martes?
Right. Can I go now?
Mhm.
Okay. Alas 3 ng hapon ang fundraising ko sa Martes.
Magaling. Sige. Next ay, anong oras ang, I'm gonna assume or that you are a singer. Okay? So I'm gonna ask, anong oras ang concert mo sa Miyerkules? Sige. KJ, anong oras ang concert mo sa Miyerkules?
At una, hapon ng choir ko sa Miyerkules.
Magaling, magaling. Next, anong oras ang dentist appointment mo sa Huwebes? Anong oras ang dentist appointment mo, Zika?
Alauna ng hapon ang dentist appointment ko sa Huwebes.
Magaling. Sige. Next ay Sammy, anong oras ang doctor's appointment mo sa Biyernes? Nakamute ka.
Sorry. Alas 8 ng umaga ang doctor's appointment ko sa Biyernes.
Magaling, magaling. Sige. Sunod, next, anong oras ang I can't think of an event. Ang debut. So, similar sa quinceañeras, in the Filipino culture, we have what we call debut or debut. It's like a party for young women who turns 18. Sige, anong oras ang debut o debut mo sa Sabado? Kaylee.
Sabado.
Alas 6 ng gabi ang debut ko sa Sabado.
Magaling. Sige. Last one. Sige, Linggo. I can't think of other games or other events. Sige. Anong oras ang basketball game mo sa Linggo? Christina.
Alas 7 ng umaga ang basketball game ko sa linggo.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige, may question po ba? Questions, my friends? Tanong? Is it
No,
confusing?
not
Mahirap.
really.
Sige, sige. So, gusto ko lang kayong i-encourage na mag-practice po. Practice, practice, practice. And find a speaking partner in your house, in your neighborhood, in your community, na who you can practice with sa telling time or any Tagalog activities. Sige? Yan, maraming maraming salamat po, friends. Thank you for being respectful. Ayan, and we'll see you sa Lunes.
Ingat kayo, ate.
Bye,
Ingat.
ate.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Salamat po.
Thank you
Salamat.
po.
Salamat po.
Bye.
Salamat. Sige, salamat.